You have reached your destination.
Yep. So today is seats day, and I'm done with one of them. I've got the what do you call it? The seat belt in and the seat. It's all tied down, and etc. I've also got a steering column finally in. It was a little bit of a painful evolution, but I finally did it. And yeah, one more left, and then I'll cash it in for the night. And there we go. So seats are done, and more or less positioned where I want. Well, they are positioned where I want because I've tied them down. I've also put my center console in there. I've got that wire there. This isn't tied down yet, so I've got some wiring still to do. That's in there just so I can pull cable back and forth for the seat heaters, which are there. And I'll get to those. Got my seat belts in on both sides. Steering column is in. That thing is positioned where I want it to, where it's going to feel comfortable for me. Walk around. That looks nice. Obviously, some work still left to do here, but that's just trim. I haven't tightened the fenders down. I'll probably do the doors tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow's Sunday. Do the doors tomorrow, and also the wiring. Finish up my interior stuff, and that's that. So yeah, not bad. Not bad. I think one of the last things I'll do is put the steering wheel back on, just because the size of that thing, it's going to be in the way as I finish up wiring and under dash stuff. If I've dorked up any of the wiring for lights or signals or whatever, I'd want easy access there. So, yeah, not bad. Not bad, not bad.